Hello everyone and welcome back to this video. We are going to be talking about creating main accounts in D365 F&O. Recall the last time we discussed chart of account, but now we're going to be talking about creating main accounts. We have created our chart of account. What happens? What are we going to do with the chart of account? So the next thing to do is to create our main account. What is a main account? Talking about main account, what is a main account? A main account is just like a container which houses all our transactions. It's a container which houses all our transactions. So this is our main account. It's a container. You buy all things, you post it into the account, buy a lot of things, all financial transactions they go into our main account. Say, for example, rent account. So all our financial transaction, you pay your rent in year one, goes to this rent account. You go pay in year two, year three. So it's like a container which houses all our transactions. And this rent account is inside our chart of accounts. Recall the last time we discussed a chart of account. So under chart of account, you have your rent account. Okay, it's just in simple terms. In simple terms, it's just a rent. A main account is a container which houses all our financial transaction. Okay, now let's proceed. So that's just the definition. So when creating your main account in F&O, we have fundamental information required by the ERP Dynamics. You have the main account. There are just three. We have main account, we have name, and we have main account. We have type. So what are main account types? In finance, there is something we call element of financial statement. We have your asset, we have liability, we have equity, we have revenue, we have expense. Those are the elements of financial statement. Those are indirectly or directly account type. So don't let me use too much of terminology. So your account type, they are just like classifications. How do you classify this rent account? So main account type, they are used for as classification. Don't let me use too much of finance. They are just classifications of account. Okay. In F&O, we have more than these five classifications. We still have something called total. We have total. We have the reporting. We have reporting. But don't worry yourself too much for now. Just know that when creating main account, we have three fundamental information that are required to create main account. So let's head to the software environment and see how we create our chart, our main account. Okay, discard this. We go straight to the environment. Fine, we are here. The first thing to do is to ensure that we are in our company. We have in Auto Dealer Company, Auto Dealer Limited, if I'm correct. Auto Dealer Limited. Great. So we go to our general ledger. You know, the series is on general ledger model. So go to general ledger. We want to create main account. Select main account. Then select new. Select new. Okay, what account do we want to create? We want to create, say, let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fine. What name? We are using rent. Say rent account, rent expense, expense, and what type of account is this? Is this account? What type of what type is this account? Is it an expense? Is it a revenue? Is it income? But it's an expense. You select expense, right? Okay. All of that information they are secondary. They are also important, but to create a main account, fundamentally, you just need these three information. Okay, then you select save. You are done. You have created your main account. If you go to the chart of account, okay, this is your chart of account. You see auto dealer chart of account, auto dealer chart of account. There is no account here, but you've already created. You just refresh. You see my rent account is available for me. Okay, but I want to remind you again, you've already told the system that you want your code, this main account, to just be 6. If you go back here, if you put anything below 6, say 5 digits, and you save, the system will reject it. If you put 7, 6, 7, let's save again, save, the system will not accept it. So it must be 6. That is what you defined when you created your chart of account. Then save. You've created a chart of account. Here, we can create chart of account manually or automatically. How? The one we just did is manual. The next one is, which I'm going to talk about, is importing, and that is automatically. So let's try an import, because if you have 500 chart of account, we cannot do it manually. It's not possible. During implementation, we have to import. Okay, so let's go and import. Join me. You see this open in Microsoft Office. Select it. It opens. Main account. Download. Open up. Yeah, it's loading. Okay, this enable. Okay, it's going to open up this add-in. In case you don't have this, there's a way you install this. I'm not going to talk about that now. Okay, because I don't want the video to be long. Yeah, so this is your chart of account. This is already in the system. Okay, that is why it came up. But I have my chart of account already prepared. This is my chart of account already prepared. I want to import. So how many do I have? I have how many? I have 460. I have 460 account. I cannot create this manually, so I need to import. So I copy everything, all the information here. Okay, and I paste special. Great. So, and I published. Sorry, publish. Let me publish this. If you are writing back to F&O, you publish. But if you want to take, you want to download, you want the information in F&O to come to your Excel, you refresh. Okay. Publish successful. Okay. Then we go back to F&O. Okay. Just refresh. Hit your refresh button. You have all the accounts. If you go to your chart of account, if you go to your chart of account and you also hit the refresh button, you have all the account imported into F&O with just a click. With all this, you are done with creating your chart of account. 3 information: main account type, main account name, and main account type, and you are done. That's just creation of main account. But during implementation, we have companies that require more than these 3 information. Then that will take us to all these fields where you need to select and populate all this information. But subsequently, we are going to discuss, take each tab one after the other, populate it, save, then we go and process transaction so that we can see the effect of all these fields in F and O. Okay, thanks so much. If you have any information or any question, just send it in the comment section, then we can talk about it. Our next video, I think we should be, let me check the environment. We should be discussing, let me check the environment. We have done main account now. We've done chart of account. We should be talking about main account categories and also maybe main account type. To expand, we should expand on main account type. After that, we move to main account template. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. If you have any question, as I've said, please send it and we'll be glad to attend to the question, and other people will also be glad to attend to the question. So I will send this presentation maybe at the end of the third video, or maybe now, so that you can read through and see. No, I should send it after the video or write up on main account category. Okay? So they can have theoretical knowledge of main account type and also main account category. Okay? Thank you so very much. Please like our videos, subscribe, and comment so that you can be updated as soon as we upload other videos. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.